Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, la-la-la. Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, la-la-la.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm just going to be taking you along with me as I get ready for bed. I'm going to be doing some meal prep, I'm going to be having an everything shower, I'll show you guys my nighttime skincare routine and just the steps I take as I get ready to wind down and go to bed. It's a pretty chill Saturday. I've had a really stressful week at work, so this for me is going to be therapeutic. I have some chicken here that I bought from the supermarket and I'm just going to clean it up, season it, and marinate it and prepare it for tomorrow. I've already eaten dinner, had some shawarma for dinner. Cooking has been a really hard thing for me as of late. I'm just not motivated to cook. Right now I'm on grind mode at work and I'm the kind of person that gets kind of lost in work. So I can be working and legit forget to eat, legit forget to go and like feed myself. And then what happens is that at the end of the day, I'm gonna have like a seriously bad headache and then I'm just gonna like order whatever I want. But today I went to the supermarket so I can get myself some chicken. Right now I am trying to cut the chicken. I have found where the joint is. So now I just gotta cut it. Chopped up the chicken and now I'm just giving it a good rinse again, and then I'm gonna get a fork and poke some holes into it so that whatever marinade I use, it really enters and penetrates the chicken skin. Got my Ziploc bag. I'm putting my chicken inside. This is how I always marinate my chicken. As you can see, we are going ham with the marinade, and that's because I love myself a good juicy flavorful piece of chicken. I don't have a special marinade or like seasoning mix. It'll always contain salt, black pepper, garlic powder, ginger powder, cinnamon, paprika, and dried chili flakes. Now those are just the dry ingredients. We have the wet ingredients that we're gonna use. And my wet ingredients include soy sauce, oyster sauce, mustard, apple cider vinegar, and a little bit of honey. And then to finish it up, I'm gonna add some olive oil. I almost forgot. Almost forgot. I made oregano from scratch. I don't have a container for it yet, which is why it's in this. But it looks and smells so good, so I'm gonna add a bit of it. There we go. And now just mixing it all up. We got the chicken all done and all marinated, and now it's gonna go into the fridge until tomorrow. So the first part of this everything shower is shaving, and I'm going to be using Veet. I have a question for all you ladies out there. What is your preferred shaving method? I like Veet because it's pretty straight to the point. You put it on your body and the hair comes down later. But like I've heard people say that they like to use like actual blades. I've also heard people say waxing is great, but I got my legs waxed, that was fine, and then I got my coochie waxed and that was... So yeah, what shaving method do you guys like to use? Let me know. I actually don't shave my legs. I only shave my legs if I know I'm going to the pool and I want to take photos. But like, I actually don't care about hair on my legs. So while the Veet is marinating, I'm going to move on to my face. And I'm gonna wash my face and I'm gonna use a face mask. But before I do that, I'm actually gonna shave my face. This is my cleanser of choice. This is the CeraVe Salicylic Acid Smoothing Cleanser. I have been using this cleanser for God knows how long. Absolutely one of the best cleansers I've ever used. And it does what it says. It cleans your skin without stripping it. I am going to use this cleanser as my shaving cream to shave my face. I'm a woman with PCOS, which means my face is hairy. I actually grew a mustache and a couple of beard hairs. Ooh, soap is entering my eye. Oh my god. Ow, 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 ow. So usually when I do this, I never have this problem. But today, the soap is entering my eye. I can actually do that Nicki Minaj challenge that people do on TikTok. I have my beauty razor. I sprayed it with some perfume to disinfect it. And now I'm just using my lighter to also kind of disinfect it as well. As I was saying before the cleanser decided to be a hater, I am a woman with PCOS, which means I have excess male hormones, which leads to a hairy face. Different women with PCOS have different like levels of hairiness. And then I also have a mustache. Just gonna shave that. This is also a great way to exfoliate your skin. And with that, I'm gonna rinse my face. My first face mask of the night is the Banish Pumpkin Enzyme Mask. I highly recommend this mask to girls like me that have thick, bumpy skin, that have texture, that are dealing with like acne scars and hyperpigmentation. This mask is chock full of great exfoliating products. This is an exfoliating mask. I only use this like on nights like this that I really want to exfoliate my skin. This mask is gonna stay on my face for about 20 minutes and then we are going to hop into the shower. Welcome to the shower with me. I'm going to be using this wonderful body scrub. This is the TM Skin Essentials Brighten Yummy Intimate Body Scrub. It has such great and yummy ingredients. You guys know I love myself a good sugar body scrub. If you guys watched my favorite body products video, you will recognize this product. This is the St. Ives Exfoliating Body Wash, and this is in the flavor, because they have different flavors. They have different types. I like to call them flavors. So this is in the flavor Pink Lemon and Mandarin Orange. It's actually almost done. It's like really low, so I think I'm actually going to just finish it tonight. Fresh and so clean. I'm gonna use body oil on my body, and I'm going for body first because I want to wear some clothes. I think I have been a little too naked for YouTube. The body oil that I'm gonna be using is the Heal Body Oil from TM Skin Essentials. It's a herbal infused body oil. As you can see, it has such goodness and great things. This apparently helps with tackling body acne and scars, eczema, and it soothes and heals burns, cuts, and bruises. I love thick oils like this. They're great for nighttime. I love this onesie. All right, it's time to get to the fun stuff. First, we gotta put some moisture in this face, and I'm using the Innisfree Hyaluronic Acid Toner. Actually, no, wrong border. We are going in with the Ole Henriksen Glow OH Dark Spot Toner. This is a high potency exfoliant. Then I go in with this. This is the Innisfree Hyaluronic Acid Toner. 5 types of hyaluronic acid. Yeah, it's crazy, but it's such a great product. And then we have the Banish Cremicide. I said Cremicide. This is the Ceramide and Retinol Serum. As a 30+ woman, I had to introduce retinol into my skincare so that it keeps me looking young and beautiful. And not like there's anything wrong with aging, but I want to treat my skin the best I can treat it, you know. On nights like this, we go an extra step. What I have right here is a face mask. I got this face mask from Miniso. Once in a while they have face masks in stock and they're always so good, and they're just like 1,000 naira, so I always like buy and stock up. And tonight is one of those nights that I could use a face mask like this. This is retinol, firming and hydrating. Maybe come over, coming up to tonight. We got the mask on my face, and I'm just gonna take the rest of the serum and use it on my hands. Guys, can you believe that I finished my routine and I wasn't recording? Anyway, what I did is I removed the face mask that I had on my face. I rubbed the rest of the serum into my skin, and then I used my nighttime moisturizer, the Ole Hendrickson Strength Trainer Peptide Boost Moisturizer. It's a really nice and thick moisturizer. And then I used the Vaseline Blue Seal on my lips. I have my glass of chamomile tea, and I'm going to crawl into bed, finish watching this episode of Irumakun, and go to bed. Oof. I'm definitely ready to go to bed, ready to sleep for hopefully at least 8 hours. I actually didn't really have like a really good night of sleep. I went to bed like at like midnight, woke up at 2 a.m, went back to bed around like 6, then woke up around 9. It would be nice to have like an uninterrupted 8 hours of sleep. That's it, guys. We've gone to bed with me, Diola Adebi. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you so much for being here. And if you enjoyed this video, go to bed with the subscribe button. Yeah, go to bed with that. And don't forget to use your skincare routine with the like button as well. I'm not doing my regular outro, man. I'm so out of it. I'm so tired. The chamomile tea, it's working its magic. The skincare is working its magic. I'm so relaxed now. Good night, guys.